Hello, hello! Today we are going to make a fruit which is a banana. And whose favorite fruit is this? Yes, a monkey's favorite fruit is banana. So let's see these 4 steps and start making our banana. At first, we are going to make a rough sketch of our bananas. So let's start by making the rough figure. Yes, it is sort of going to be an outline of our fruit. Can we start making this? Yes, we will start with making these curved lines at first. After that, let's make the tip of it and join these lines to form 3 bananas. If you notice, the first banana is full, after which the second banana is seen a little and the third banana is seen the least because the other 2 bananas which are behind are being overlapped by the first one. Yes, which means that the banana which is seen full is overlapping the other 2. This looks amazing. Now we are going to take our sketch pen and start sketching this. Yes, this is going to make our drawing look much better. Now we are going to go very slow while sketching this, or else it is going to be difficult for us to erase it if we make a mistake. Make this bottom part as well. Yes, if you miss out any part of drawing while making it with a pencil, you can always make it with a sketch pen. Now, let's make these lines and then these black patches. It is okay if you would want to make it somewhere else and not at the exact points where it's shown in the book. This looks amazing. Let's make the top part now. That's lovely. Why don't we erase all the pencil marks we see and then start coloring? This activity is so much fun, isn't it? Let's take our yellow color and start coloring. We will start from the top part and then go downwards. Yes, it is going to be one color, which is a yellow color. Try taking the exact shade and don't worry if you don't have the same shade. You can take another shade which is closer to this one. Again, we will start with an outline and then color in one direction. We will make sure that we do not keep any white spaces in the middle. Yes, for this, we will have to press the color hard on top of the paper. Finally, let's do the last banana. Before which, we are going to do the outline and then color inside. It is advisable to take oil pastels for this activity, as we need to press the color hard on top of the paper in order to keep no white spaces. This looks interesting. Why don't we take a brown color now and do this corner as well as these bottom parts? The banana looks realistic, isn't it? Let's make this a little darker with the help of another shade of brown. Yes, a darker shade. This looks beautiful.